Hello, I'm Richard Hunter, Head of Markets, and welcome to our look ahead to the week commencing the 1st of February. January already behind us now as we move into the new week. And unfortunately, many of the gains that we had seen earlier in the year have been somewhat eroded. Quite apart from the saga that we've seen in the US this week around the keyboard warriors versus the hedge funds in the States, unfortunately, the pandemic remains the central theme. We've obviously seen further lockdowns. We've seen further strengthening of travel restrictions, which in turn, of course, could well delay any economic recovery. At the same time, there's still a slight question mark on the new president's proposed package of stimulus getting through. And those things combined have tended to take some of the shine off. On the other hand, the one bright spot remains the NASDAQ index in the States. The big techs which have reported so far have come along with some fairly blowout numbers, the likes of Apple, Netflix in particular, and there's still a couple more to come. So the net result of all that is that in the year to date, the Dow Jones is currently flat. The S&P 500 is up just 0.8%. The NASDAQ is up 3.5%. And the FTSE 100, also having given us a 6% gain in the first week of the year, is flat in the year to date. So moving on to next week, it's probably the busiest week of this part of the earnings season on both sides of the pond. In the UK, we can look forward to full year numbers from both BP and Shell. Obviously, the recent volatility in the oil price is something they are likely to refer to. Look out also for any further asset disposals, any further move towards renewable technology, and of course the perennial question of what they're going to be doing in terms of dividend policy. Obviously, they're both still paying hefty dividends, but rather less than this time last year. Outlook comments there will also be important. We're also going to get an update from Vodafone. Vodafone, of course, have got these two things playing against each other. On the one hand, increasing data usage, especially in the emerging markets, is a positive, but a lack of data roaming income with the travel restrictions that are in place. It'll also be interesting to see whether there's any update on its planned IPO or spin-off of its Vantage Towers unit, which is due to happen later in this year. Staying in the UK, we can also look out for updates from the likes of Glaxo, Barratt Developments, Unilever and BT, while in the US, the tech giants also remain centre stage. We've got updates from the Google owner Alphabet and also Amazon, and elsewhere within the US markets. Look out for updates from the healthcare company Pfizer and also Ford. Thank you for watching. Have a great week.